Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve USA Olympiad math problem, that is 2 into 2x minus 1 plus 3 over 2x minus 1 equals 5. You have to find the value of x. For this purpose take 2x minus 1 equals y. So this equation will become 2y plus 3 by y equals 5. Now we will take LCM, that is y. So 2y into y is 2y square plus 3 equals 5. Now cross multiplication, we get 2y square plus 3 equals 5y. Then this will become 2y square minus 5y plus 3 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. According to that, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. And we have a equals 2, b equals minus 5 and c equals 3. Now we apply the quadratic formula here, that is x equal minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2 of a. Now substitute the values in this formula. We will get x equals minus b means minus minus plus, plus minus b square means 5 square, minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3 divided by 2 of a is 2. So we get x equal 5 plus minus 5 square is 25 and 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 divided by 4. Then we have 5 plus minus 24 minus 25 minus 24 is 1 by 4. Now we solve this here. X equals 5 plus 1 by 2 and x equals 5 minus 1 by 2. This becomes 6 by 2. That means x equals 3. And here we have 5 minus 1, that is 4. So x equal 2. Now after this, finding the values of y, these are the values of y. But here is 4, not 2. This will be 1. So we get the values of y because all these are the values of y. Now we get the values of y. Y equals 3 by 2 and 1. Now we find the value of x. Now we know that 2x minus 1 equals y. That suppose y equals 1. Take y equals 1. So 2x minus 1 equals 1. So 2x equal 1 plus 1. 2x equals 2. X equal 1. 2 by 2. Which implies that x equals 1. Now for the other one, take y equals 3 by 2. So 2x minus 1 equals 3 by 2. 2x equal 3 by 2 plus 1. That means by taking LCM 2, we get 3 plus 2. That is 5 by 2 and this is 2x. So x equal 5 by 4. So this is the value of x, that is 5 by 4. Now we will write the solution, that is 1 and 5 by 4. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Math Olympiad problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.